Hey YouTube, I hope that everyone's having a good day today. It is Alan here again, and as you guys can tell from the titling, today I was going to give you guys an update on month number 5 of my hair transplant. So I'm so excited to make this video because I feel like as the time is going by, I'm getting happier and happier and the smile is getting bigger and bigger. But I pretty much wanted to come on here really quickly to give you guys an update. If you guys are new to my videos, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Comment if you have any questions. Like this video so more people could see it. And if you guys are new to my videos, I will go ahead and link in the description link below my month transplant videos from the beginning till today's date. So go ahead and feel free to check that out. Let me actually start this video off with showing you guys how my new growth looks, how everything is coming in. As you guys can tell, it's still filling in a little bit, but little by little I feel like things are just getting better and better, so I'm happy about that. I know on my last video I was a little weary and I was like, you know, happy, but my donor area was looking crazy, but things are definitely getting better. Also, something too I wanted to talk to everybody about was minoxidil 5%. Now, this is something that I've been using regularly every day, and this is something that I feel like has helped my hair grow more. And if you guys aren't sure what minoxidil 5% is, it's pretty much the same exact thing as Rogaine, and pretty much it comes in 2 different forms. You could either get it in a liquid form where it's kind of like a watery base, or you can get it in a foam form. I always get it in a foam form, and the reason why is because I actually use it before I start my day. I apply it to my scalp, and it has like the same texture as mousse. And the reason why I use it is because I put it in my hair and I actually style my hair with it, and I just leave it alone. The water base actually like melts my hair, so I never use that. It is a little bit cheaper, but I always just pay a little bit more money for the foam. And I actually always just buy the generic brand as well, because it's like half the cost and it's the same exact ingredients. Personally, that's always helped me, and I feel like that can help other people, so go ahead and check that out. And like I was talking about on my last video, I was a little apprehensive about my donor area, so I actually wanted to turn around and go ahead and show you guys how that looks. So it's definitely filling in and it's getting better and better, but I'm just gonna leave it alone. And funny story is I actually went to the barber to go and have him clean up the back of my head and like around my ears and stuff, and then he was like, oh no, I can just go ahead and cut it up and fix it and make it look good and give you just like a normal haircut. So I was like, sure, go ahead. And then he ended up cutting the back even more, even though I had been growing out. So I was like, well, whatever. It doesn't look as bad as it did in the beginning, but like I said on my last video, I'm just going to leave my donor area alone and allow my hair to grow in normally. So that is something that I'm just gonna start from now on. And also too, this is a really random thing to talk about, but I've noticed a lot of people prior to their hair transplant, when they are going to get their hair transplant, they don't know exactly where they want their hairline to be. And I know that sounds so random, but this is something that is so important prior to going and getting your hair transplant, is to make sure where you want your hairline to be, because the doctor operating on it is not going to care as much as you are, and you can't hold them accountable if they put it too far back or if they put it too far up. So I guess my best advice to anybody that is looking to get a hair transplant is to make sure you know exactly where you want your hairline to be, and make that clear with the doctor. Like, hey, I want it here, because once it's up here, it's up here. Once it's down here, it's down here. And you don't want to take any chances. Like, you don't want to have to redo it. You don't want to have to feel uncomfortable after surgery. So that is just a random tip that I wanted to give everybody. This video is really short, guys. I just wanted to come on here really quickly to give you guys this update. But thank you guys so much for all the love and support on this video. Every comment, every like, it means the world to me, and I really appreciate it. And I hope you guys all enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.